Ever wondered how some people seem to make money while they sleep? Welcome to the world of passive income. It's a realm where your financial earnings don't solely depend on the hours you clock in at work. Instead, your money works for you, providing a steady stream of income even when you're not actively working. This video will illuminate 5 simple methods to start your passive income journey. So, are you ready to earn money while you snooze? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about dividends and interest, the classic forms of passive income. Investing in stocks, bonds, and other interest-bearing assets can be a potent way to generate income passively. It's like having your money work for you while you sleep. But remember, smart investing requires due diligence and research. It's not about quick wins. It's about long-term gains and stability, so don't shy away from doing your homework. Now, if you're more of a creative type, our next method might be right up your alley. Welcome to the digital age, where your creativity can earn you money. Imagine turning your knowledge, skills, or art into digital products. Picture crafting an ebook, developing an online course, or even creating downloadable art. These are not just products, they're potential gold mines because, once created, they can be sold over and over again. This is the beauty of passive income from digital products. It's your creativity, your rules, and your earnings. But perhaps you're more interested in the rental game. If so, our next method is for you. Why let your spare room or empty apartment sit idle when it could be making you money? Indeed, renting out property can be a great way to earn passive income. You can opt for long-term rentals to guarantee steady income over time. But if you're more adventurous, why not consider short-term vacation rentals? They can be a lucrative option, especially during peak tourist seasons. So don't let your property gather dust, let it gather dollars instead. Our final method is one that could potentially reach millions. Last but not least, let's talk about monetizing your content. This is where your creativity shines. Create engaging content like YouTube videos or insightful blog posts, then monetize them through ads or secure sponsorships. Yes, it requires a consistent effort up front, crafting content that resonates with your audience. But the payoff? Sustainable, passive income. The work you put in today can continue to pay dividends for years to come. So, there you have it. 5 ways to start earning passive income. Now it's up to you to take the next step. That's a wrap on our quick guide to passive income. We've explored dividends, interest, selling digital products, renting property, and monetizing content. Your journey towards financial freedom starts with a little research and action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, the key to passive income is action, so start today.